In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can automatically forward Gmail emails to another email account. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. So say you use something other than a Gmail account, you can actually change everything and forward it to it automatically. To do this, open up Gmail on a browser and then go to the Gmail account that you want to forward from. For example, let's say I want to forward from this current account that I'm on. Essentially, go ahead and select the gear icon up in the top right. And from the page that does pull up, go ahead and select See All Settings. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and choose Forwarding and Pop/IMAP. And from here, you're going to want to go ahead and choose Add a Forwarding Address. Go ahead and select this, enter in whatever email address you would want, and then go ahead and open up that email address after you sign into it. So essentially, open up a new tab, switch accounts to whatever you would like, and you're going to receive an email from Gmail with a link inside of it that you need to click in order to verify that you want to send all of your stuff to this account. After clicking that link, return to the main Gmail account, go back into your settings, and go back into the forwarding and pop/IMAP settings. If you're already in it, refresh it, and you're going to see it's now going to say forward a copy of incoming mail to, and then go ahead and type in an email address right here. And I also recommend making sure that it says and keep Gmail's copy in the inbox, just so it still does stay in this email right here, but will get forwarded to the other email. After you type in just like this, go ahead and hit Save Changes down at the bottom, and then you're going to see a little pop-up at the top that says you're forwarding your email to another email address up at the top. This notice is going to end in 7 days. After doing so, you're good. This pop-up will disappear in a week, but you're still going to get those emails forwarded out. And that is it. Gmail's not going to forward all of your new emails to your other email account that you set up. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.